This is the Safety Belts and You pamphlet that came with the original 1972 Mustang. I thought this was pretty cool to add or to show in my videos here on Restoration Mustang, because some of this stuff is really cool to look at. This was actually printed in July of 1972, and it definitely smells like 1972. It's got its distinct old paper smell. Pretty cool little booklet here. It's just kind of showing you how questions and answers. I mean, if you read it, in the event of an accident, wouldn't I be better off to be thrown clear of the car? I mean, it's crazy that they put this stuff in cars back then. No, researchers conclude that fatalities increase more than 2.5 times when occupants are thrown from the vehicle. If your car was caught fire or submerged in the water, wouldn't safety belts reduce your chances of getting out of the car? No, less than 1%. It's just funny, like you can kind of read this as I kind of move the camera, but kind of interesting how these old car makers would include this stuff, because seatbelts were fairly new then. So it's give a little look over here. How to use safety belts, big plus factor. Safety belts for pros. Professional drivers know the value of safety belts and wear them both on and off the job. Crazy. Who knew that? They had no idea what airbags were then or anything. So it's kind of cool little piece of history here. So yeah, this was printed in 1972, and this accompanies the Ford Mustang. So thought this would be fun to share. I got some other literature that I'm going to do some videos on too and take some pictures of it, so make sure you check out restorationmustang.com. I'm going to take a bunch of pictures of all this old stuff and document it on there so you guys can read through it. And yeah, make sure you subscribe, and thanks for watching.